Simple present tense made easy using Superman's trick. Hello everyone, I am Mrs. Sonali and you must be having sometimes some confusion that when do we use simple present tense and how do we use S and ES with verbs while speaking sentences and when. So don't worry, I am here with your answers to give you answer so that you can remember it throughout your life. Okay, so let's start. We use simple present tense for actions done almost daily or for telling some fact, some universal fact. For example, the sun rises in the east. So this is a universal fact which we can't change. So we use simple present tense with this. With one person, with he, she or it, we use action with S or ES in the sentence. With verb, we use S or ES. And with I or you or many persons, we or they, we use only action word, only verb. We don't add S or ES. But why? So when only one person does any work alone, he feels so much tired. Okay, so Superman quietly comes and helps that person. Okay, and he becomes invisible. So that one person is not able to see Superman, but he gives his S power. You know, he is having S power written on his uniform. So he gives his S power to that person so that he doesn't feel tired and he can do his work. Okay. And when there are many people, so they don't need Superman's help because they can help one another. And I and you, I am special and you are also special and we are powerful. Okay, so always remember I and you are special. So Superman doesn't give his S or ES power to I and you because we are powerful. So we can do our work alone. I and you. I can eat, okay, alone. I eat tasty food. You do your homework. Okay. So let's see few more examples of this. So with one person we use Superman's power because mom is alone and mom cook tasty food but she will get tired, so she will ask Superman's help and he will give his power of S. Okay, so now mom will take Superman's help and now she cooks tasty food. My mom cooks tasty food. Mom cooks tasty food. Let's see when the Superman give his ES power. You know students, there are many action words, many verbs which are a little bit difficult to do. So Superman has to give his double power, ES power to one person so that the person can do his work easily. So let's see which are those verbs or action words for which that one person needs ES power from Superman. Okay. And gives his double power, that is ES power, to one person when he does some work, some actions, some verbs that ends with O, like do. He does his work. Does is very important. Okay. So with one person it will become, we will add ES. So it will become does. With verbs ending with double S like miss, So if you have to use it with one person, he misses his mom, with verb or action word ending with X, like fix. My mom fixes the issue. Verb ending with CH. Okay. Catch. She catches the ball. Or my dog catches the ball when we play. SH. Like, what are the verbs ending with SH? Wash. Brush. Okay. So, Dad washes his uniform. We will add ES. You know, students, the verbs, the first form of the verbs or the verbs are plural. In first form, okay, they are in their plural form. We have to add ES to make them singular so that we can use it with single person. That we will do in subject verb agreement topic. So example, Sonali misses her family and friends. So misses ending with double S. So Sonali has used Superman's ES power. So now it has become Mrs. She passes me the bowl of rice. Ankita goes to her home. So she is alone, so Superman gives her ES power. So go we will use ES because Ankita is alone. So Ankita goes to her home. Today's homework is you'll use these three action words or verb, comb, go and live, with different sentences, and you'll make proper sentences using this. Okay, these verbs with one noun, he, she, it, you'll add S or ES with the verb. You know the rule now, when to use S, when to ask Superman for the S power and when to ask Superman for ES power. And with I, you, we, they and many names, we don't need Superman's power. So you can easily make sentences using these action words. So if you have understood this video, kindly subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that whenever I'll upload any video, you will be the first one to watch it. And do share with others also. Thank you.